Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 music tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the list of available activities. The available activities can be found if you just short press the button. These activities right here are all of your favorite activities. So we can change this list so that it truly has our favorite activities in it. The way we do that is just by long pressing the watch face, then scroll down until we see Settings. In Settings we're going to go to Activities and Apps. And then in here you can see all of the activities that are currently favorited. They'll have the white background. And then if you scroll down, you'll see items that have a black background. Those are not currently your favorite activities. So if we want to add an activity to our favorites, we just select it and then select Add Favorites. Or we can even remove them by just selecting one of our favorites and then selecting Remove Favorites. So as you can see, it's no longer in the list. Now, if there is an activity that you're not finding in the list, all you need to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see Add. Once Add loads, you'll see all of the available activities that are on this app. You can even create your own. So I'll choose Snowboard, and then we just select the check mark, swipe from left to right to go back, scroll up, and you'll see Snowboard is now on my favorites list. Now to get back to the watch face, all I need to do is slide from left to right until I get back to the original watch face. As a quick example, I'll go into the activities and we can see that snowboarding is now in the list. So that's how you edit the activity list on your Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Vivoactive 3 tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.